welcome back. I'm going to do another mail thing. Call whatever you wish to call it. Just to let you know, it's like 1:52 a.m. in the morning when I'm doing this. So let's have some fun. I got a couple items from AliExpress and one from Amazon. So this item I was kind of looking forward to. It looked like an interesting idea. There's two things from them. These little guys, can't even remember what they do. Some blue light LED thingy dingies. I don't know. I have to go look it up again. Let's just see what's in one of the pieces of paper in here. So, little circuit board. So, lots and lots of Chinese. Here's 2 op amps, some LEDs, potentiometer, must be some sort of toy circuit. We'll use one of these for the soldering tutorial. Really easy to do. So those are those. But this, on the other hand, see if I can get it open here. The well wrapped up oh yes, excess packing. Yeah. Oh. Wow, they sure packed this up. Well, just a second. I'll be right back. Get the knife. Okay. There we go. Starting to come out of packaging. Garbage. More garbage. Okay. This little gizmo. You take your ATX power supply, plug it in here, and it gives you a bench power supply. 12 volts, minus, plus, 5, 3, ground. It looks like it's got fuses in there and a little power switch. And I thought this was kind of cool. So if you need a cheap source of power for some project or whatever, or just to use on the bench. Now what would be cool is if these guys here were right angle ones that stuck out. But I suppose you can mount it like this. You know, it'd be nice to put it in a cabinet, for example, and with these on the outside. And they are screw terminal blocks. So you can put those used style clips in there. Wow, they're not even soldered on. So you could, yeah, you could take these off here and put them on something else and just join them to here. But I thought that was a interesting item. Oops, another piece of plastic. So another item I got is this one here. Yes, I'm tossing back into a corner where I collect all the boxes from AliExpress. You not gotta, oops, Not a Ziploc. Here we go. This is a clock. And this is the shell for the clock. Now there are 10 billion of these things on AliExpress. And this happens to be a blue clock. I like the really big digits. And it's just another one of those, you know, fun projects to build. Now, after I built this system over here, that way, the fan on it is an Intel fan. Now, there's a problem with Intel fans. So, we have a board here, Intel fan. Old school Intel fan. You notice how high it is here? The newer ones are half the height of the heatsink, and as you can see, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 wires here. Now normally the fan headers on here, like this one right here. See if I can bring it up for you. Normally fan headers like this one here are 3 pins. So power, ground, and a PWM line. But interestingly enough, these fans here have also a 8-step or 4-step motor in them, meaning that they can run at, you know, a fixed set of speeds. Problem is, sometimes these fans, they reach a certain revolution. They'll operate at that. So right now, according to my system monitor, this fan is running at 58 degrees Celsius on the CPU. And the RPMs of the fan is such a way it can reach like a little window of where the fan itself oscillates a little bit and it makes a whine. And it's very annoying, right? If the fan was, you know, 300, 400 RPM faster or slower, the whine wouldn't be there. But it's that this narrow little stupid window of fan operating just the right speed, doing this. So the next item I picked up, hopefully I don't have to change the fan. I don't want to change the fan in the computer because it's a pain in the ass. So the next item I got was from Amazon. So I got cut off because I hit the frickin' keyboard and the OBS just stopped recording again. Ah, I hate that. That's such a stupid thing. I wish it was like... I wonder... It's because the last button in OBS, if you is highlighted, you hit any stupid key on the keyboard and the dumb thing will stop recording. So, this stuff here is sound insulation foam. And it's kind of hard to see. I'm 2 pieces. I'm going to use a set inside the case to dampen the sound. I'll probably do this weekend. Now, that's just for the mail call. I'm going to have to stitch 2 videos together, and this is annoying because I haven't got around to yet picking a video editing software suite. So let's find out how to do that.